as equine genetics have advanced, researchers have become increasingly interested in the biological foundations of behavior in horses. Traits such as temperament, trainability, stress tolerance, and rideability are known to have a significant genetic component. One gene that has attracted attention in this area is ZFPM1, also known as FOG1, friend of GATA1. Although ZFPM1 was originally studied for its role in blood cell development and embryonic growth, researchers now believe it may also contribute indirectly to behavioral traits associated with rideability. Importantly, ZFPM1 is not a single rideability gene. Rideability is a highly complex polygenic trait influenced by many genes, along with training, handling, and environment. However, genes involved in neurological development may help explain why some horses are naturally calmer, more trainable, and more emotionally stable than others. ZFPM1 functions as a regulatory gene, meaning it helps control the activity of other genes during development. In mammals, it is involved in processes such as cellular differentiation, organ development, neurodevelopment, and stress response regulation. Because the nervous system develops during embryonic growth, variation in developmental regulatory genes may influence how horses process stress and respond to environmental stimuli later in life. Behavioral traits such as fear response, focus, emotional reactivity, and learning ability are all closely linked to nervous system function. Researchers believe genes like ZFPM1 may influence pathways involved in neural signaling, hormone regulation, stress responsiveness, and cognitive adaptability. This is particularly important in the modern sport horses. Disciplines such as dressage and show jumping require horses to remain focused, cooperative, and emotionally controlled in highly stressful environments. Studies have shown that rideability possesses moderate heritability in Warmblood populations, meaning genetics significantly contribute to differences in temperament and trainability between horses. Over generations, breeders have consistently selected horses that were easier to train, calmer under pressure, and more cooperative with riders. As a result, modern sport horse breeding has likely increased the frequency of favorable genetic profiles associated with behavioral stability and reduced stress reactivity. Genes such as ZFPM1 are especially important because regulatory genes can influence entire biological systems rather than individual traits alone. Small differences in these developmental pathways may contribute to why certain bloodlines consistently produce horses known for excellent temperaments and rideability. However, researchers emphasize that no single gene determines behavior. Rideability results from the interactions of genetics, training, management, rider skill, and environmental experience. Current research into ZFPM1 remains ongoing, but the gene highlights an important concept in equine science. Behavior and performance are deeply connected to developmental biology. As equine genomics continues to evolve, scientists may gain a clearer understanding of how genes influence nervous system development and how it contributes to rideability and trainability riders experience under saddle. Thank you so much for joining us. And remember, I am not AI. If you listen closely, you can hear me breathing.